Good morning, friends. Welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dosa. Welcome in online study. This is JP Yadav from Electrical Department. Today's my topic is clamper circuits. In previous slides, we discussed about clipper and clamper circuits. We start clamper circuit. What is clamper circuit? It's what's working of clamper circuits. Today we will discuss about types of the clamper circuits. Clamper circuit is an electronic circuit that changes the DC level of a signal to the desired level without changing the shape of the applied signal. In other words, the clamper circuit moves the whole signal up or down to set either the positive peak or negative peak of the signal at the desired level. So we can say that that is a DC. It's add DC to inputs waveform. It shifts the level of the input waveform in positive direction or in negative direction. The DC component is simply added to the input signal or subtract from the input signal. A clamper circuit adds the positive DC components to the input signal to push it to the positive side. Similarly, a clamper circuit adds the negative DC component to the input signal to push it to the negative side. A clamper is a circuit that adds a DC level to an AC level. A clamper circuit can be defined as the circuit that consists of a diode, a resistor, and a capacitor that shift the waveform to a desired DC level without changing the actual appearance of the applied signal. So time period of the capacitor of charging and discharging E2 equals tau equals to RC. It depends on the value of resistor and capacitance value. According to the output waveform, the clamper circuits are divided in three parts: positive clamper, which adds DC level to positive side; negative clamper, which adds DC level to the negative side; and biased clamper, which where we use DC battery for positive and negative clamper. First is positive clamper. A positive clamper is made up of a voltage source, input Vi, capacitance C, diode D, and resistor RL for the output. In the below diagram, the diode is connected in parallel with the output load, so the positive clamper passes the input signal to the output load when the diode is reverse biased, and the blocks the input signal when the diode is reverse biased. So in waveform diagram, a capacitor, diode, and resistors. Three components are used. Vi is input and V0 is output. What is the working function of this? When the input is negative cycle, what happened? Let's discuss. During the negative half cycle of the input AC signal, the diode is forward biased. In negative cycle, input is negative, then diode is forward bias, reverse bias, forward bias. Because diode first terminal is negative, input is negative, both are negative, so the diode work as a forward biased. In forward bias condition, diode is work as a short circuit. The diode allows electric current through it. This current will flow to the capacitor and charge it to the value of input Vm. The capacitor charged in reverse polarity with the input voltage as input current or voltage decrease after attaining its maximum value Vm. The capacitor holds the charge until the diode remains forward biased. What happened when input is positive? During the positive half cycle of the input AC signal, the diode is reverse biased because first terminal is negative and input is positive, both are reverse. So the diode are in reverse bias condition and work as a open circuit. The signal appears at the output in reverse bias condition. The diode does not allow electric current through it, so the input current directly flow towards the output. When the positive half cycle begins, the diode is in the non-conducting state and the charge stored in the capacitor is discharged. Therefore, the voltage appeared at the output is equal to the sum of the capacitance value Vm and the input value Vm. Output is Vm plus Vm twice of Vm. A clamper circuit stores the DC level when a negative peak of the input is raised. So, what is the difference between clipper and clamper circuit? According to the definition, clipper delimits the amplitude of the output voltage, and in clamper shift the DC level of the output voltage. Okay, what is the output voltage of clipper and clamper? Less than the input voltage in clipper circuits. Clipper circuit output is less than the input voltage, but in clamper circuit output is multiple of the input voltage. Where we use the energy storage component, in clipper circuit we are not use energy storage component, but in clamper circuit requires a capacitor is used as energy stored element. What is shape of the output waveform? Shape of the output waveform in clipper circuits are rectangular, sinusoidal and triangular waveforms, but in clamper circuits shape remains same as input waveform. What is the DC level? Remains same in clipper circuit, and DC level gets shifted in clamper circuit. Where we use the clipper circuits in transmitter, receiver, amplitude selectors, noise limiters, etc. But the use of the clamper circuit are voltage multiplying circuit, sonar systems, radar systems, etc. So the clamper circuit are used for the voltage multipliers. Voltage multipliers where we used when the input is Vm, then the output we can take twice of Vm, 3 times of Vm, 4 times of Vm. It depends on the circuits. So clippers are used for the noise limiters, for removing the noise in receivers and transmitters. Main purpose is removing noise in receiving communication systems. But for the we want more input, more output for our purpose, then we use the circuits. And can we increase the output? Input is not increased, but the output is increased for the level as we required. So we discuss different type of positive clamper circuits with biasing positive clamper circuit. When battery is added with the diode, then it is called positive clamper with biased. Biased can be placed with positive, negative, positive, reverse bias. When diode positive terminal and battery positive terminal are connected, then it is called positive clamper with positive bias. If battery terminal and diode terminal are connected in reverse polarity, then it is called positive clamper with negative bias. Okay, so a positive clamper with positive bias we can explain. How can we explain it? Okay, a input circuit Vi as capacitor and diode, and load parallel with diode. When the battery DC battery connected with diode positive terminal and battery positive terminal are connected to each other, then it is called positive clamper with positive bias. A positive clamper circuit is biased with some positive reference voltage. The voltage will be added to the output to raise the clamped level. Using this, the circuit of the positive clamper with positive reference voltage is constructed when diode is connected with positive battery. During the positive half cycle, the reference voltage is applied through the diode at the output, and as the input voltage increases, the cathode voltage of the diode increases with respect to the anode voltage, and hence it stops conducting. During the negative half cycle, the diode gets forward bias and starts conducting. The voltage across the capacitor and the reference voltage together maintain the output voltage level. And when the battery negative terminal and diode positive terminal are connected in reverse direction, then it is called positive clamper with negative bias. And how it is work? A positive clamper circuit is biased with some negative reference voltage, then the voltage will be added to the output to raise the clamped level. Using this, the circuit of the positive clamper with positive reference voltage is constructed as below. During the positive half cycle, the voltage across the capacitor and the reference voltage together maintain the output voltage level. During the positive half cycle, the voltage across the capacitor and the reference voltage together maintain the output voltage level. And during the negative half cycle, the diode conduct when the cathode voltage gets less than the anode voltage. These change makes the output voltage as shown in figure. And the where we use this circuit, what the need of these circuits? Clamper circuits used in direct current restores. So clamper circuit used for the direct current restores, for removes distortion. Okay, DC current stores, removes distortion, and for voltage multipliers. We discussed already, voltage multipliers are used for we want to more output in multiple form from the inputs. So we use multiplier circuits for gets twice, 3 times, 4 times of the input. Used for test equipments, used in test equipment, and used as baseline stabilizer. Baseline stabilizer. So there are different circuits for the clamper circuits, and our clippers and clampers are different circuits, and working are actually some difference, but the circuit construction are same, only a capacitor charge and discharge problem in the circuits. In clipper circuits we use not used battery, but in clamper circuit we used battery. Okay. At first, when we use negative cycle first time, in negative cycle first time, input is negative, diode first part is negative, both are negative, so negative diode make a forward bias, convert into forward bias. In forward bias condition, diode work as a short circuit. In short circuit, current flow through diode and capacitor charge up to a value of input Vm in reverse polarity. Capacitor charge up to a value Vm and current flow through diode in when the input is negative. What happened when the input is positive? When Vi is positive, battery diode first terminal is negative, input is positive, diode first terminal is negative, both are reverse condition. So the diode in reverse bias condition, it's not working and it's work as a open switch. Diode is open. When in this condition, input Vi positive and goes to load RL directly. No current flow in the diode. And capacitor release its charge when input change its state negative to positive. So input is positive, capacitor discharge its charge, then the capacitor charge and input both are added and output is like twice of Vm, twice of input. So positive half cycle is more than input. Input is Vm and output is twice of Vm. Or in negative cycle, diode is short circuit, so no output at load RL. Now it's a working, and this let's discuss. So in theoretical portion we already explained it, now we explain again. During the negative half cycle of the input AC signal, at first capacitor is charged. Which cycle is input? It depends on the capacitance, input and diode position. At first diode is makes forward biased, so input is takes according to diode. When diode is forward, then we take positive or negative cycle. In this circuit, diode is made by negative cycle, then it makes positive with negative cycle. So at first we take negative cycle at first. So start with negative cycle. During the negative half cycle of the input AC signal, the diode is forward biased and hence no signal appears at the output. In forward biased condition, the diode allow electric current through it. This current will flow to the capacitor and change it to the peak value of the input voltage Vm. The capacitor charged in reverse polarity with the input voltage. As a result, current or voltage decrease after attaining its maximum value Vm. The capacitor holds the charge until the diode remains forward biased. And during positive half cycle, during the positive half cycle of the input signal, the diode is reverse biased and hence the signal appears at the output. In reverse bias condition, the diode does not allow electric current through it, so the input current directly flow towards the output. When the positive half cycle begins, the diode is in the non-conducting state and the charge stored in the capacitor is discharged. Therefore, the voltage appeared at the output is equal to the sum of the voltage stored in capacitor and the input voltage V0 equals to twice of Vm, which have the same polarity with each other. As a result, the signal shifted upwards. The peak to peak amplitude of the input signal twice of Vm. Similarly, the peak to peak amplitude of the output signal is also twice of Vm. Therefore, the total swing of the output is same as the total swing of the input. The basic difference between the clipper and clamper is that the clippers removes the unwanted portion of the input signal, whereas the clamper moves the input signal upward or downward. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you all.